Police want to be get pressure. Why are you fight bandits? You want to kill Sowore? You don't go walk. You don't go walk. Anything when Nigeria police want to do, when there's no state, we are ready. Rubbish. If you are bandit, they go stand here. Let's go.
Revolution! Revolution now, not later!
Now!
Revolution now!
In the lungs of any Nigerian who is asking for democracy and real democracy.
This is democracy.
This is democracy. And this is what I call morontocracy.
Exactly.
Morons have hijacked our country.
Yes.
But what we cannot afford to do, regardless of the inconveniences, even in the face of death, is that we cannot afford to go back.
No retreat.
No retreat.
No surrender.
No retreat.
No surrender.
Our country must be liberated.
Yes.
And we are calling our people not to take this for granted.
Yes.
Your future is at stake.
Yes.
You have seen it. I walked in there into the same policemen we used to fight for. And from the canister of one of their chemical tanks, they poured directly into my nose a chemical I don't know anything about. I don't even know. What I knew next is that I collapsed. But the struggle cannot collapse.
No, never.
The struggle cannot collapse. So we must continue by marching back to the populated areas, which is typically, this is even supposed to take place at the Unity Fountain. But with this, we have been working for almost 7 kilometers. But this work and this march cannot stop now.
Yes.
That's why I decided to come out of the car. Please don't sympathize with me. You should sympathize for Tinubu because Tinubu must go. Tinubu must leave this country. Tinubu must go.
Bandit! 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 Another challenge, another challenge. Tinubu must go. Tinubu is going. Who is corruption? Tinubu is corruption. Who is the bandit? Who is the bandit? Who is corruption? Who is corruption? Who is the bandit? Who is the bandit? Let's move. Enough is enough. We are fighting for the Nigerian police.
Okay, that's all there.
Nigerian police, so when I get Teargas to pour on us, we don't get Teargas for bandits. When I get Teargas to pour on us, innocent protesters, if you want go school now, you go they cry. Yesterday for here now, for Gwagwa side, now so you go consider when we kidnap children, they run up and down, So the children don't go school again. When I say education is the best, education is the key. We are not going to let us go to school again.
IG don't know where two must go. Two must go.
Look at us. Nobody's armed. We are so protesting, fighting for our rights for this country. Now look at what is happening. Look at the ammunition they are holding. Look at Teargas. What have you done wrong? Okay, look at my thinking. Why can't you see all this battalion here with their army, with their guns and Teargas? Okay, go to that wherever they are and rescue those children. Why can't they do that? What is happening? What is Tinubu doing? Tinubu should resign. Look at our man Sowore. He fainted because of Teargas. Nobody's allowed us to pass. Simple. They begin to shoot Teargas. What have we done? This country doesn't have a government. And Pastor Benaya.
This morning, you can just see the nonsense perpetrated by the Nigerian police on a democracy day, supposed democracy day. This is the more nonsense. And that's exactly why we're telling Nigerians at this point, Nigerians must rise and get Tinubu out of power. And we're not saying Tinubu must go for a slogan. No, we are saying that he must be replaced by a competent, courageous Nigerian like Sowore. APC must go. AAC must come in. The Bola Tinubu regime has failed and it is unacceptable. We are here to protest against the adoption, insecurity, inflation, poverty, hunger of the Nigerian state, led by the Muhammad.
Outside.
In the struggle.
Let's move.
When people take over street, when people
Send them again, no. We no send them again, no. Come and join us. Come and join us. Behind the banner.
Hey, look back.
Yawa go dey.